Hello, everyone. Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. My name is Mark Daniel Igantala from Group 4, and we will discuss Module 9 titled Music. Introduction. This module deals with the definition, elements, kinds, and mediums of music. These details about music will help the student to understand and appreciate the art of music. Objectives. Number 1. Define what is music and its elements. And 2. Analyze and evaluate music in relation to their personal preferences. And last, perform a demonstration of showing appreciation to music and musical talent and skill. What is music? Music is the art of combining sounds of varying pitch to produce a coherent composition that is melodious, harmonious, intelligible, and expressive of ideas and emotions. Music is an art form and a cultural activity whose medium is sound. The word derives from Greek word music or art of the muses. It's an art of ordering tones of sounds in succession, combination, and temporal relationship to produce a composition having unity and continuity. Elements of music. Number 1. Pitch. We mean the location of a tone in the musical scale in relation to high or low. Therefore, it refers to the highness and lowness of tone. It is determined by the rate of vibration, to a large extent depends on the length of the vibrating body. It is represented by a note. Number 2. Volume or intensity. The loudness or softness of sound. The volume is louder when a singer belts out compared to the volume when he simply whispers. Pianissimo, very soft, and piano is soft. Fortissimo, very loud, and forte is loud. Number 3. Tempo or rate. The speed of composition or any of its sections. Ballads have a slow tempo, whereas dance songs have a. Number 4. Duration. The length of the time during which sound is produced. Some sounds are longer than the others. Timbre or tone color. The quality of sound that makes it distinct from other sounds. Thus, a listener can distinguish the voices of Eugene Velasquez, Jaya, Jano Gibbs, and Ogie Alcacid. Likewise, he can recognize the sound of a flute, a guitar, a drum, and a piano. Number 6. Rhythm. The consistent pattern of succession of identical or similar sounds. This is illustrated by the succession of similar sounds in a song, as follows. Introduction, stanza 1, chorus, refrain stanza 2, chorus, refrain, coda, and conclusion. Number 7. Melody, the series of consecutive tones that vary in pitch and duration but form a line of individual significance and expressive. It is an orderly succession of tones or musical sound remembered by a listener or the one he whistles or hums, special when he does not know the lyrics. Number 8. Harmony. A simultaneous sounding of two or more tones. When three or more tones are sounded simultaneously, there exists a chord. Number 9. Texture. The number of tones expected to be apprehended simultaneously. Monophonic. Sound, sounding of a single melodic line without accompaniment. Polyphonic, simultaneous sounding of two or more melodic lines of relatively equal interest. Homophonic, sounding of one main melody supported by a subordinate one, as in the performance of a folk singer with a guitar accompaniment. Number 10. Form, the overall organization of the composition. It is associated with shape, structure, and coherence. All the musical elements are put together to come up with the cohesive whole called form. Kinds of music. According to Boethius, the most eloquent music writer of the Middle Ages, there are three types of music. These are number one, musica mundana, music created by the orderly relationship found among the planets and changing season of the world. Number two, musica humana, the music created by the human beings by the unity of the body and soul. And number three, musica instrumentalis, the music created by musical instrument.
Three classification of music. Number 1. Vocal music. Music produced by the voice of singers. The singing is done without the accompaniment of musical instrument. It is rendered a cappella. Ang vocal music ay isang musika na ginagawa ng mga boses ng mga awit na ginagamit lamang ang boses ng walang kasamang mga instrumentong pangmusika at ginagamit ito sa kapelya. Instrumental music. The music is produced with a musical instrument. It is exemplified by the orchestra performing without a solist or a group of singers. Instrumental music ay uri ng mga musika na ginagawa ng mga instrumento pang musika na kadalasang tinutugtog ng isang orkestra ng walang solista o grupo ng mga awit. Mixed music or mixed ensemble. A combination of vocal music and instrumental music, it is usually performed in the mass, requiem mass, opera, oratorio, and cantata. Even a symphony orchestra may employ a vocalist, soloist, or a chorus. Ang mixed music or mixed ensemble naman ay ang isang kombinasyon ng mga vocal music at instrumental music. Ito ay karaniwang ginagamit ng mga misa, requiem mass, opera, oratorio, at cantata. Maging ang isang symphony orchestra ay maaaring magtampok ng isang vocal soloist o karong pang vocal. 3 class. Ensemble. Music rendered by a group of performers, singers, and or players of musical instrument. Ang ensemble ay isang grupo ng mga manunugtog o mga awit na nagtutugtog, kumakanta ng sabay-sabay. Ang ensemble ay may mga classification. Number 1 is orchestra. The most spectacular of the ensemble because of its large size, usually performing under the direction of a conductor. The musicians playing several instruments of the same kind are given a part. It is divided into 4 sections: string, woodwind, and brass, and the percussion. Orchestra ay ang mga pinakamalaki at pinakahanghang ensemble dahil sa nagkalaki ang sukat nito, karaniwang tumutugtog sa ilalim ng direksyon ng isang conductor. Ang mga musikero na tumutugtog ng maraming instrumento ng parehong uri na nagbibigay ng parehong bahagi, at ito ay naghahati-hati sa 4 na seksyon: ang mga string, woodwind, brass, at percussion. Number 2, symphony orchestra. A large ensemble composed of about 100 players. It includes all the participal instrument types divided into 4 sections, each of which has at least an instrument which falls under each of the 4 basic ranges. Ang symphony orchestra ay isang malaking ensemble na binubuo ng humigit kumulang 100 na mga manunugtog na binubuo ng ito ng lahat ng pangunahing uri instrumento na naghahati-hati sa 4 na seksyon. yung string, woodwind, brass, percussion. Bawat section ay may mga instrumento na sumasaklaw sa apat na pangunahing hanay: soprano, alto, tenor, at brass. 3. Concerto, a form written for an orchestra in which one solo instrument, for example, a piano or a violin, is given prominence. Ang konserto ay isang musical na anyo na isinulat para sa isang orkestra kung saan ang isang solong instrumento tulad ng piano, violin ay binibigyan ng pangunahing papel. 4. Band, an instrument ensemble having a size of orchestra but consisting mainly or exclusively of wind and percussion instruments. It usually performs in concert halls and outdoors events such as parades, funerals, football games, and like nowadays, band is used to mean a small group of performers. Consists of a soloist, drummer, guitarist, and keyboardist, or a small group of singers. Ang band ay isang instrumental ensemble na may laki ng isang orkestra, ngunit binubuo ng mga instrumentong pang-hangin percussion lamang. Karaniwang tumutugtog sila sa mga concert hall at outdoor events tulad ng mga parade, yung mga football games, at iba pa. And ang terminong band ay ginagamit din para sa isang maliit na grupo ng mga manugtog na binubuo ng ito ang mga uri ng band: solist, drummer, guitarist, keyboardist, at maliit na grupo ng mga awit. Meron ding iba't ibang uri ng band tulad ng marching band, concert band, jazz band, rock band, and brass band. Number 5. Rondalia. A band usually composed as string instrument, bonder loud, octavina, piccolo, gitara, and bajo. It is best known instrumental group in the Philippines today. A rondalia ay isang tradisyonal ng Pilipinong banda na binubuo ng mga instrumentong may talim tulad ng mga instrumentong ito ay mandolin, loud, octavina, piccolo, gitara, at mga bass. Katangian naman nito ay mga karaniwang tumutugtog ng mga classical at tradisyon na Pilipinong musika. Pangalawa, ginagamit ng mga seremonyal, pandiriwang at mga okasyon. Pangatlo, simbolo ng mga Pilipinong kultura at musical na tradisyon. Ang kasaysayan naman ng rondalia ay may mga mahabang kasaysayan sa Pilipinas na nagmula sa mga panahon ng mga Espanyol. Number 6. Chamber orchestra. An ensemble larger than a chamber ensemble and smaller than a full orchestra. Ang chamber orchestra naman ay isang ensemble na mas malaki sa chamber ensemble ngunit mas maliit sa isang buong orkestra. Chamber ensemble. A small group of instrumental players. The number of musical instruments ranges from the 1 to 9. Chamber. Music written from the only one instrument: violin, cello, flute, oboe, horn, etc. It is called solo sonata, for 2 duo, for 3 trio, for 4 quartet, for 5 quintet, for 6 sextet, for 7 septet, for 8 octet, and for 9 is nonet. Ang chamber ensemble ay isang maliit na grupo na binubuo ng 1 up to 9 ng mga manunugtog na instrumento na tumutugtog ng music in chamber. Ang special in chamber is a grouping other than ones earlier mentioned. Examples of this are family ensemble, which are composed by the family members, and ensembles that use electronic media instead of the traditional music. Ang special ensemble ay isang grupo ng mga manunugtog na hindi nabibilang sa tradisyon ng mga ensemble tulad ng mga halimbawa nito: family ensemble, electronic ensemble, experimental ensemble, folk ensemble, at multimedia ensemble. Ang multimedia ensemble na kombinasyon ng mga musika, sayaw, at visual arts. 4. Mediums in music. Number 1. Vocal media. Pertain to the male and female voices. Male voices have 3 registers voice. The bass, baritone, tenor, and the special one is basso profundo. Ang bass naman is ito yung pinaka mababang tinig ng mga lalaki. Sa baritone, ito naman yung katamtamang tinig naman ng mga lalaki. Sa tenor naman, ito yung pinakamataas nilang tinig sa pagkanta. Ang basso profundo, ito yung pinakamababang tinig na nagagawa nila sa kanta ng mga lalaki. Letter B, the female voices. Female voices have 3 register voices. The alto is the lowest, mezzo, soprano, and coloratura soprano. Ang alto is yung pinakamababang nagagawa din ng mga babae sa pagkanta tulad sa mga lalaki. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung tawag sa mga to. Sa mezzo soprano is ito yung katamtaman nilang boses sa pagkanta. Sa soprano naman, ito yung pinakamataas nilang tinig sa pagkanta. Sa coloratura soprano, ito naman yung sobrang taas na tinig na nagagawa nila. Number 2. Instrumental media pertain to the different instruments played by musicians. Most of these instruments from part of the orchestra, instrumental media. Tumutukoy sa iba't ibang mga instrumento na tinutugtog ng mga musikero. Karamihan sa mga instrumentong ito is bahagi ng orchestra. Ang orchestra ay isang pangkat ng mga musikero na nagtutugtog sa iba't ibang mga instruments upang lumikha ng isang magagandang tunog.
Classification of musical instrument. Pluck strings. Pluck strings instruments are diverse family broadly classified into category like lutes, zithars, harps, lyres, guitars, and ukuleles. Each category contains numerous subclassifications based on factors such as body shape, number of string, and playing technique. Bowed string. Instruments can be classified by size and pitch range. Violin family. Construction and playing technique. E.g. violin family versus viola da gamba, or historical period and geographic origin. A comprehensive classification would consider all these factors. Wind instruments are primarily classified into woodwinds and brass instruments. Based on their airflow mechanism, woodwinds use reeds or flipples, while brass instruments use the player's lips vibrating against a mouthpiece. Both categories have further subclassification based on factors like reed type, bore shape, valves or slides, and rating. Woodwind instruments are primarily classified by the airflow mechanism reed, single or double lip reed, or free reed, and fival float. Further classification consider material range and construction details. Brass instruments are primarily classified into trumpets, French horn, trombones, tubas, and other instruments that share characteristics with these main categories. The classification is based on factors such as bore shape and sound production mechanism. Percussion instruments are broadly classified into idiophones, membranophones, and sometimes include chordophones. Played exclusively for their classification considers playing techniques, material, and whether the instrument is toned or untoned. This classification often overlap. Keyboard instruments are musical instruments played by pressing keys. They include pianos, organs, and synthesizers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. This is the end of our discussion. And thank you for our reporters, Alan Jeff Ortiz and Romeo de Vera. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.